Do you need a garden cart? Or want to build a soapbox derby car? Today we're going to be looking at these tires. The seller sent these to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are our own.
We got a set of these 4 tires in here. These are run flat tires. You don't got to worry about them going flat. So I got real creative here. I got a couple of bolts from the hardware store and a metal rod that I'm going to make into a pull behind flatbed. So bolts and lock washers also, so it stays in place better. And all you got to do is hand tighten these. If you go with this idea, just hand tighten it.
He's going to be using a piece of pre-cut plywood for this, but he's going to be cutting it down to fit the wheel space.
Well, I got 2 2x4s underneath there for support, and then I'm going to attach the wheels that are great and fantastic run flat wheels to the 2x4s, and then we're going to have a flatbed trailer with our new tires.
Once he built the flatbed, he attached the wheels using these brackets that go over the threaded metal rods. So essentially, he built the base for a soapbox derby car, and this is actually really cool. Okay, ready?
Yeah.